Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious egg rolls from scratch. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 1 pound of ground meat, such as pork or chicken, along with 2 cups of shredded cabbage and 1 cup of shredded carrots. Don't forget 1 package of egg roll wrappers, usually containing around 20 sheets, and staple seasonings like soy sauce, ginger, and garlic. These fresh components are key to a flavorful start. Next, we'll create the savory filling. Begin by browning 1 pound of your chosen ground meat in a large skillet over medium heat, ensuring it's fully cooked through. Drain any excess fat. Then, incorporate 2 cups of shredded cabbage and 1 cup of shredded carrots, cooking them until they are tender crisp, about 5 minutes. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder to complete your flavorful mixture. Now comes the art of wrapping. Lay 1 egg roll wrapper flat on a clean surface, orienting it so a corner points directly towards you. Place about 2 tablespoons of your prepared filling just above the bottom corner. Fold that bottom corner snugly over the filling. Then, fold in the left and right side corners towards the center. Finally, roll the wrapper tightly upwards towards the top corner, sealing the very tip with a small dab of water to secure it. Our final step is cooking these delicious treats. Heat 2 to 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pan or Dutch oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few egg rolls into the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes, turning occasionally until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and are crispy. Remove and drain any excess oil on a wire rack or paper towels. Serve immediately with your preferred dipping sauce and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.